What's up? It's Kristen. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you guys. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, click on my link below. You'll get $25 towards your first fix, which is awesome. And you'll get your first fix sent to you for free. So if you're not familiar with them, in the box you get 5 items, and you can choose to send jewelry, shoes, etc. I haven't gotten shoes in a while, but I always opt for clothes because I love clothes, but shoes would be great as well. You'll get a return bag to send back anything that you do not want. And here is your style card. My stylist is Katie, and she had sent me a little note here, but I don't read it. If you guys want me to read the notes, let me know down in the comments below. And then you'll have your price sheet. So here is my price sheet. I'll go over that at the end. But if you like these kind of videos, just stay tuned and we'll get into that bundle. Okay, so let's rip open the bundle and let's see what we got. Okay, here's an item that I asked, I got this and I sent it back, and I really wish I did not. So this is a bodysuit, and it is like a salmon color, which I absolutely love this. And it is by Sophie Rue, and this is the Binks button front rip knit bodysuit in salmon, size extra small. So I'm super excited to get this again, and I hope it fits the same way it did, and it was amazing. Next we have here is, it looks like a navy cardigan, which I love navy. And here it is. It's just regular flat front cardigan, which I do love. It has some slits on the side here. And in the back detail, I don't know if you could see that. It has, yeah, you could see it. So it has like some stitching down the whole back, which is really cool. It's kind of like a braid. And this is by Pink, and it is the Jamela back detail cardigan navy, size extra small. So that's super exciting. I love that as well. And what is this? Okay, so this is like a hoodie, which I do wear a lot of with leggings, and this is very soft, and it has like this heathered black and gray, and down the sides it has like this panel of black, if you could see that. That's really nice. And this is cool. Something I don't own, and it has the black that's same at the bottom here on the side. So that's really cool. And it gathers at the wrist like a regular like hoodie. And this is by Mixed by 41 Hawthorne. And this is Blakely zip up hooded knit top in dark gray, size extra small. So that's really nice. Okay, next we have here is a pair of Vigosh jeans, and I do like these a lot. They're really soft, and they have some distressing here and then some distressing here at the ankle, and I do like these. So here it is. I don't think there's any distressing on the back. There is not. Okay, so this is by Vigosh. These are the Erika Distress Skinny Jean in Indigo, size 0. So these are really nice. They're very soft, so we'll see how those feel as well. And last but not least, we have here is a cropped sweater. So this is by Emery Park, and this is like gray, mustard, and red. And this is another super soft item. I do like this. I do like the stripes. And this is the Emery Park Amelia cropped pullover in gray, size extra small. All right, so that's all the items. I'm going to try everything on for you guys, and I'll come back at the end to give you my final thoughts, and we'll go over prices. Super exciting. This is a great box. Okay, so I have 3 of the items on. So the first item I have is the salmon color bodysuit, which I really love. I thoroughly enjoy. It's super pretty. I do like it a lot, and it fits really nice. It goes down a little bit deep in the back, but that's okay because I'll wear a cardigan over it. It has the detailed buttons right here, and it fits really nicely with the jeans, but we'll go over that in a second. This color is beautiful. This is amazing. I do love this a lot. So I'm thinking about keeping this one. Okay, so next we have are the jeans. These are amazing. Only thing is, they're like a little bit big, and I'm scared that I'm gonna be pulling them down but I do think these are amazing. I checked and to see they do not have a smaller size. It's sold out. But I don't know if they'll shrink. I'm not sure, but they're super stretchy. I definitely would keep these. I do like the detailing of the distressing at the ankle. That's one of my favorite things, but it is super baggy here in the crotch. So I'm not sure about these, but these fit really nice and look super cute with the salmon top. I'm not sure if they'll shrink, but you know what? I'm thinking about keeping them just to keep them because they do fit really nice. Okay, so next we have is this cardigan. I do like this as well. It doesn't really 100% go with this, but I definitely would wear this because I do like navy. It does have slits at the side, which aren't my favorite, but you can see the detailing. If you could see that in the back of like the braid here, it's super cute and it does look really nice with this, but I wouldn't pair these together. I don't know. What do you guys think? Here is the material so you can see. I'm not sure, but I am leaning towards keeping this. I don't know. I'm like on the fence. Okay, next we have is the little hoodie that they had sent over, the zip up. So I'm gonna zip it up for you guys. It's thinner material. It is really nice. It has pockets. It does fit really cute. I do like this as well. It looks nice with the jeans. And you can see that it has like the ribbing down the side and the ribbing here and it on this as well. It has a hood. It's for kind of like not a winter day, but something you can definitely wear around the house. And you can see it has the pockets right here. So yeah, I mean, this is nice as well. I don't know if I would pair it with the salmon top. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, so next we have is this top. I put my other jeans back on because they fit a little bit better. But this is really cute. I might keep the box if I can get the jeans in a smaller size, but I really like this top. So you could see the detail in this. This is definitely my style and it's definitely something I would wear. It is a crop top. I'm not sure if I would wear something under it to come down to here, but these are high-waisted jeans and this does look really cute with this. I got these jeans in my fashion box. And they are 25, but they fit different than those Vigas that are 25. So if the jeans are available in a 24, I'll definitely get them, but I really like this top as well. It's really different and I don't own anything like it, but we shall see. I'm not sure. Okay guys, so I am back. So I really like this top. I'm on the fence about it. It's by Emery Park and it is $38, which I think is a really good deal. It is super cute and soft. It is a little bit shorter side, but I would definitely wear it. Let me pick this up. The items fell. So next we have is this cardigan. I do like it a lot, but I wish it was a little bit longer. This is by Pink and it is $46. So it's a little bit pricey, but I'm not sure. So that's another maybe. I'm not sure. Next we have is this pink what is this? Sufi Rue bodysuit. Let me see here. Let me take this sticker off. I'm definitely going to be keeping this. I think this is really adorable. I love the salmon color. And let's see here. This is $38. So I'm going to be keeping this. I think it's super cute. I would definitely get a lot of wear of it. And it works with my skin tone. The jeans. So if they have these in a 24, I checked. I think it was early this morning and they did not. If they do, I will be keeping these. They were just a little bit too big, but I love the wash on this. Amazing. Like the darker and then lighter wash. I don't own anything like that. And those are $68. Next we have is this Mix by 41 Hawthorne, which was the hoodie. Oh, I'm sorry. This was Market and Spruce, and this was $44. I thought it was Mixed by 41 Hawthorne. Let me see. Yeah, that's not on here right. So the name is different. This one says Market and Spruce. It says $44, but this is Mixed by 41 Hawthorne. And it's $44. This hoodie, this is okay. I mean, I could find this somewhere else probably for like $20, but I do love this box a lot. She did an amazing job. I'm definitely going to be keeping the salmon bodysuit because I got that before and I was so sad that they didn't have it in stock. But yeah, if there's anything else I decide to keep, I will keep it in the comments below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe here, and thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.